Is your Assurance Wireless phone frozen? Don't worry, you can usually fix it yourself. First, try a force restart. This clears the phone's memory without deleting your data. To do this, press and hold both the power button and the volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone restarts. If that doesn't work, try Safe Mode. Safe Mode starts the phone with only essential apps, disabling third-party apps that might be causing the problem. To enter Safe Mode, long press the power button, then tap and hold Power Off until Safe Mode appears. If your phone works fine in Safe Mode, a third-party app is likely the culprit. Uninstall any recently installed or suspicious apps. If force restart and Safe Mode don't solve the problem, app crashes might be the cause. To troubleshoot, start by clearing the app's cache and data. Next, update your apps through the Google Play Store. Outdated apps are a common cause of crashes. You can also try force stopping the app by going to Settings, Apps, Problematic App, Force Stop. Finally, check for system updates in Settings, System, System Update. Keeping your phone's software up to date can resolve many issues. Remember, Assurance Wireless phones often have limited resources, so avoid overloading them with too many apps. If problems persist, contact Assurance Wireless support.